Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Stella from the Winx Club on Just to Impress. It looks really weird from the back, but it looks fine from the front, alright? It's just that her pigtails are very low. So I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did adjustments on. I used this hair in bangs only in this color, FFBE41. I used it for all the hairs. Then toggle the position the Y at 0.52, rotate the X to 0.43. Then I use this headband in this color, 528278. Position the Y at 0.51, rotate the X to 0.29, and scale it to 0.46. I think I might scale it down a little bit more and toggle it up a little bit more. Select this hair. It's from the dressing rooms in FFBE41. And position the Y at 0.07, the Z at 0.6, rotate the X to 0.84 and scale it the same. Then I used just this up doing that same color, so there's like still the back of her head there. Again, it looks weird from the front. Select these shoes in longer. Select this orange, FF8221 in silk, and do that for the others too. Also, you don't need VIP except for the wings. You can use the non-VIP wings for this. Select this top here in that same orange but in glitter. And then you can use this skirt for a non-VIP one. But if you want a shorter skirt like she has, use this one from VIP. But you can again use the one outside of VIP. Select the same color in glitter as well for both. Then for the sleeves, I just used these ones in this color, 860C7C2 in silk. And also, oh my god, I'm like forgetting what she wore. For the wings, again, you can use the non-VIP ones, but I'm just going to use these ones here. I'm going to color it the brighter like blue first here. And then here again, I'll do the darker blue here actually, this one, 4E8C78, and then like the lighter blue again. And then for the last toggle, I'm going to use the yellow color here. And that basically like covers kind of like the hair a little, but that is pretty much it really. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!